Did you know that MPC automatically creates a course website for every single section that we teach? Canvas is MPC's course management system. Every single section in WebReg has a course website in Canvas. Every student who registers for a course in WebReg is automatically put into Canvas. Every student who then later drops from WebReg is automatically dropped from Canvas. These Canvas course shells are very handy for teachers. They have all the features that teachers typically want in a course. You can put up your documents like your syllabus and your PowerPoint slides. You can receive homework and grade it and send it right back to students with your comments and other feedback. You can easily use quizzes and discussions and share documents and hold virtual office hours and more. You can post announcements and send messages to your students. You can track the progress of your students, and all of this with an integrated gradebook. So now that you know what Canvas is, how do we get there? Well, the easiest thing for you and your students is to go to our main campus webpage, www.mpc.edu. And from there, click Lobo Apps in the gray bar. Here you log in to Lobo Apps. Now, if students don't know how to log in, they can read the instructions right here. Click this, and it shows your students how to log in. And down at the bottom, if that didn't all work, they can email website support for help. Close this and get back to the login screen. If you need help logging into Lobo Apps, please speak to your division office manager or contact IT. You can also email website support at mpc.edu, just like students do. Here I'm going to log in with my username and password. And after you log in, you'll see a screen with a link to Canvas. Also on this login screen, you're going to see links to Google Drive and email and other goodies. Here's Google Drive, here's email, your calendar, and over here, Canvas. If I click Canvas, it's going to take me to the Canvas dashboard, the Canvas homepage. On the Canvas dashboard, you'll see some of your courses. These are called course cards. On the right side, you'll see things to do and upcoming items. But you might not see all of your courses here. To see all of your courses, use this gray bar on the left. This is called the course navigation. Right now I'm on the dashboard, but click here on Courses and then All Courses. And when you do, you will get a list of all of the courses that you're in. These little stars are to favorite a course. If you click it, it turns color. If you click it again, the color goes away. All of those stars with color will appear on your dashboard. So at the start of a new semester, you'll just come to Courses, All Courses. You will star the new semester and unstar the old semester. There are more goodies on this global navigation bar. Right here, the Help button is really important. This first item brings you to a form that you can fill in, and you put up here your name and you put here the problem that you're having. This form creates a ticket in MPC's help system. It comes right to us here in the MPC Online Education team. And that works weekdays, of course. We're not working evenings and weekends. If you or your students, though, have trouble evenings or weekends, you can phone Canvas directly. This is the phone number for Canvas's support. Now, they can't help with MPC-related issues. They can't help with if you can't log into Lobo Apps, they can't help you. If you're expecting to be in a course and you're not in that course, well, Canvas can't help you with that. You have to be added to courses automatically by our systems, not by Canvas. But if you have any kind of a Canvas question, or your students do, suppose the student is trying to take a quiz and it's not working, the student can call Canvas. Suppose you're trying to update your course and it's a Saturday night and you're trying to get it ready for Monday, you can call Canvas and get help with pages and content and the content that you're trying to put into your course. It's a very, very helpful thing. There are other ways for you, the teacher, to get help. You can email onlinehelp@mpc.edu. That does the same thing as putting in a ticket that we saw from this help button. Also, in all of your empty courses, when new empty courses get created, here's an example. There's a link in the course in every new empty shell, and this link takes you to a Google Doc that has a bunch of information that might be helpful. Here we've got how to make your course visible, options for setting up your new course, and how you can learn Canvas. This is a very valuable link here, the MPC Canvas resources for faculty. I'll open that up. I'll go to this course. And in it, you will find Instructor Getting Started guides, a link to a self-paced Canvas introductory course. You will find links to the effective strategies for online teaching. You'll find information about using VeriCite, the plagiarism detection software, NetTutor for tutoring for your students, Proctario for proctoring quizzes, online quizzes. And then more information about how to migrate from MPC Online to Canvas if you haven't already done that. You can also get help directly face-to-face from the online education team here at MPC. Feel free to put in a ticket saying you'd like a meeting. We're happy to meet with you to show you how Canvas works or to answer specific questions. We also have professional development. We're putting on a series of courses. We have coffee chat sessions and workshops. Please pay attention to the all users emails that come from the Distance Ed team for more information about all of that. For more information about the dashboard, watch the next video that's right below this one. And that's the overview of Canvas at MPC.